Yeah.
Okay, audio sync. Hey, Jamie. Welcome back to part 5 of my series on what is first-party data. My name is Abby. In the previous videos, we've talked about the benefits of using first-party data and how to increase your marketing ROI. In this video, I'll be discussing how to collect first-party data. As I've mentioned before, you're in charge of collecting your first-party data. How you go about it depends on what works best for your business and any privacy regulations you must follow. At the very least, make sure your customers know how you process their information and what you'll do with it once you have it. In addition, give people a way to opt out if they only want some marketing messages or decide they want none. A tried and true strategy to collect first-party data is to offer something valuable in exchange for customer information. This can be a newsletter, rewards program, or a unique piece of content. Some strategies to gather this data include asking people to fill out an email subscription form on your website to receive a helpful newsletter, offering a rewards program in which people share their information to get special deals and benefits when they shop with you, tracking customer information when they make a purchase online or in person, providing a unique piece of content to those who give you their contact information, sharing an information-packed webinar with people who RSVP via email, adding a contact form to your website that asks people for their information. That's certainly not a complete list, but it's a great place to start when you're ready to reap the benefits of first-party data. Remember, it's important to respect customers' privacy and make sure that they understand how their data will be used. Thanks for joining me on this series. I hope you now have a better understanding of what first-party data is, how it can benefit your business, and how to collect it. Stay tuned for more videos.